Welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure seeing you here every single minute, every single hour. Now I'm gonna jump into this real quickly. I just got an offer and notification in my WhatsApp business, and I'm telling you, I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Now, no gatekeeping. Look, Pizza Hut is currently looking for people in Jamaica to help service their customers. You can work from home, big emphasis on working from home. Stay-at-home moms are when you say, hey. Now, you can earn $3.50 USD per hour helping customers with their orders and inquiries. Now, the training for Pizza Hut starts next Saturday on the 26th and the 27th of August. So if you want to apply, go ahead to apply now. And if you have any questions or concerns, please contact the service desk live chat on GiGCX Marketplace here. Apply and send in the entries now. The link to apply is in the video description down below. Remember to subscribe, because you can never know when you will get a permanent remote job when you are subscribed with me. Now you are guaranteed to. So guess what? There's no regrets in subscribing to my channel. Happy job hunting.
Thank you for watching.